everyone, this is Duran over at Alpha 7 Trading Academy here with another trade of the day. So we're entering Yum at an early entry right next to the 15 MA going all the way up to the upper Bollinger Band, and then also we're looking to continue to take it all the way to near the upper Bollinger Band of the 15. So this is actually a long trade that I've kind of sped up. It was about a 25-minute trade. I'm turning it into 4 minutes, so that's why it's going awfully fast. Now, as we already took partials at the upper Bollinger Band for our first 100 shares out of 300, we're going to continue to hold the middle Bollinger Band. Now, since the market is choppy, you want to kind of give it a little bit of wiggle room for the 5-minute bumpers to kind of play out before it may want to go back up. So as we can see, we already partialed out. Our next targets are going to be around 25s, excuse me, and once we hit 25s, I'm really going to try to shoot for 35s, 40s for my last piece. And as we can see, we're trying to make new highs here. And we're pretty much in a good position because the 5-minute is really strong. We have most of the stochastics going in our direction, so we definitely have convergence here on Yum. And as it continues to go up, we see that the 15 MA is also starting to rise up. Now, we weren't able to take any partials there. We wanted around 2420s. Sorry, not 2420s, but the 20 range. It went to 15s. So we're going to see how it plays around the 15 and the middle Bollinger Band. And if we could see that it has some support and it rejects the 15 and the 20, then we can continue taking it higher and we don't have to stop out early with minimal profits. So as we can see, we're getting near the middle Bollinger Band. Now, even if it gets to the middle Bollinger Band, like I said, we're going to have to give it some breathing room. Only reason is because the 1 minute is tightening a lot. And when it tightens, it kind of gives the effect of pushing it beyond its limit, even though the price action didn't really want to go down to that level. But it's forced because of that compression of the Bollinger Bands. So, like I said, we have to give it some wiggle room here, and we can see that now it's rejecting, and it's trying to prop back up. And this is probably where we're going to get our second wave. And we can see SPY as well on the bottom doing the same thing as G-Pro. So not only do we have convergence, but we have correlation with the overall market, supporting our move and also allowing us to get the fade to be able to partial out at a very good price. So we can see it's holding the 5 MA here. Now it's doing the same thing. It's flattening here, kind of playing around the 15 and the 20 band before its next wave again for probably another high, which is where we're going to sell our remaining shares. And we just sold most of our shares right there, right before it breaks the 5 MA for around 25s for the last partial. And we took this for a real nice move. We were able to make, out of 300 shares, $162, guys. And it's still holding the 15. You can continue to do that, letting it continue to rise all the way to higher prices. But for the sake of the trade of the day, I kept it short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day.